Hola! Today we are making fish tacos. For that you will need some prawns. You can also use whitefish or salmon is also okay. Clean everything, the vein, the bone. Don't put it in your hair like I did for some reason. Once you are done cutting your fish, chop red cabbage into small pieces. And then create salsa. So sour cream, sriracha and lime juice. Mix all together, put it aside. Then add your salsa to red cabbage to make it softer. Cut avocado, coriander, and add a bit of coriander into salsa. Add cumin, pepper, then cut tomatoes and add coriander. And you can use feta instead of tortilla cheese. I also added pickled onion in lime juice. I also cracked some mango because it goes really well with prawns, and then I did the assembly. So almost anything goes. The only thing you should really use is the corn, not flour, tortillas for tacos. Make it pretty, the more colors the better. If you accidentally put too much hot sauce, just cover it with coriander. No one will notice. Buon provecho!